Your citation, if you please. The transcription of a tape-recorded interview conducted by Detective M. or MC, P # 7585. I'm guessing that that's a badge number or something like that. Here are the responses he got. I've left out his communication, and I've compacted this so you can read it on the screen with me. The assertions by a person being interviewed are the following. You could hear it all the way down from the center core. So we kind of backed up into the elevator core area so that they're not in direct line of the hallway because it was the room. They said it was the end room, the 35 room. So we kind of backed in and then, noticed that name redacted, a short one, had his pant leg up. Okay, it's a guy with his pant leg up. And notice that there was a bullet hole. So you could tell it was a bullet hole. It looked like a small caliber 22 or 223 bullet. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. They're describing Campos. You notice that Jesus or Campos had his pant leg up. No, it's not somebody else. Yes, this is the same page someone is quote mining a specific assertion from. Anyway, got them, more than one person, in there, kind of, made sure they're okay. Hey, look, such and such, slightly longer name, said, I felt something hit my back. That would be Schuck, wouldn't it? I'm checking, I'm making sure there's no holes, any blood. I mean, everything looked good. I didn't see anything. He said maybe it was drywall, most likely, or a ricochet. Whatever it was, it never punctured the skin or the uniform. This was done 7th day of October 2017 at 11:26 hours. This was a 16-minute interview, approximately. And this is the header data. Voluntary statement, Mandalay Bay Resort, transcript, fit report 2017-032, MC. Operator. This is Detective with Force Investigation Team conducting one witness interview under event number. It's the same one we all see. Address of original incident is the Mandalay Bay. Person being interviewed is first name such and last name is such and such. Date of birth is something, home address is something, his phone number is such and such. He is employed at Mandalay Bay as a facilities manager. Also present is VP, Vice President, and Legal Counsel of Mandalay Bay. Interview is taking place at Mandalay Bay at around 11:10 hours. Yes, I've altered this to make it fit on a page and make it viewable. Yes, this is literally in context. Yes, the interview that is being cited to show that Campos wasn't hit by a bullet actually states that a person pulled up his pant leg and had a bullet hole. So was it somebody else or was it Campos? This is the same source of information. This is the same place you're getting the assertion from. The other person that was checked out, again, this was actually confirmed, and the only one confirmed was that it was Schuck, was checked over to make sure he wasn't injured, and the quote is, whatever it was never punctured the skin or uniform. Now, I know what you're saying. I'm taking this out of context. Well, I did rebuild this. You may have noticed it's cleaned up. I managed to clean up so much of this that I'm amazed. I mean, the police department did so much work making sure we couldn't image scan this sort of thing or OCR it. Just saying. So here's the entire PDF section. If you want to look at it, I'm just going to go through it. MC is the interviewer, and SA is the person being interviewed. There's also a few other people being mentioned in here with initials. Like AE, that sort of thing. And you can read it. I'm going to give you links. Medium.com did not give links to this file, even though I can. archive.org/stream/LV-witness statements/LV-MPD_witness-statements-9. And it'll either be _DJVU.text, which is what everybody got this information from, or #, page number, and it's page 57 through 75. That's what you just saw. That's it. That quote confirms in the same statement by the same person that one person got a bullet wound in the leg, but somehow this can't be Campos. And another person was checked over and thought he'd been hit in the back, but it was really just something that bounced off of him, and there wasn't any hole in his back, his skin, or in the uniform. I'm not taking it out of context. You can go read it. Now, someone only pointed to the medium.com page because of the way they phrase it. A confusing story detailed by 4 different law enforcement officers with different versions being told by each individual. That's normal. That's what happens. Not everybody has the same view of things. If we all did, we wouldn't have any questions. You idiots on Medium. Medium is full of idiots. Next, the assertion was it was January 19th, 2018 Force Investigation Team report. The way you have to look it up is Las Vegas mass shooting, space witness statements. And then you find this. And you can type in that quote and you'll find it. But you have to get the quote right. Someone gave me a ration of assertions about this, trying apparently to disprove some narrative when the same witness statement affirms it. Just saying. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And again, there's all of it. I mean, all I did was piece it together. I just took out the parts that weren't pertinent to the story. I'm giving you the links. Medium did not. Medium could have done it easily. They could have directly linked to it. None of this was necessary. Every news site fails to do the basic thing of, oh, where did I get those words from? Well, the internet has this weird thing called, Universal Resource Locator, URL. That's why they're called that. This isn't even citation please. It looks like somebody's trying to be very, very deceitful on Medium. It doesn't help that most of the websites that brought up this subject, and there's only 4 or 5, all refuse to tell you where you got it from. So I know it's months late, and I know none of you are going to care. But do you see a pattern of behavior when people, quote-unquote, contradict the narrative, and the only way they can get away with it is not tell you where they get their quotes from, and then when I go look it up, it affirms the narrative literally 1 paragraph above, or in this case, 4 sentences? Really? All the time? I want someone for once to present a meme that has evidence behind it. I'm getting tired of doing everybody's legwork. If you do a quote and post it below in my video, the only thing I'm going to do is going to contact you on your own channel somehow and tell you have to go back and give us the link or I'm not going to chase this down anymore. I'm not even going to talk to you. You won't get any attention. And if you don't know where you got your quote from, it didn't exist. Trust me, I remember reading that in Abraham Lincoln. He was talking about the internet. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.